The roots of our business came from the volunteer work before we met each other. When I did my intense one-on-one services for special needs people, I would see how people would pull up, drop somebody, I'll pick them up, and I said, I need my own transportation company.
I personally suffer from MS, and that can be different from day to day. You want to be as comfortable as you can, and of course, when you're going down the road, it's never really a smooth ride. Our vans give that smooth ride.
Chrysler has continuously improved their vehicle, and it's not like there's a lot of improvement to do.
In our line of work, it can get very stressful like that. There's so much involved. There are days when we have taken a patient home from the hospital and they can't get inside the home. So what do? Just leave them there? No, we provide equipment such as a ramp to get them into the home.
You want to give them as much dignity as possible. Truly, we say, sell all your vehicles and buy a wheelchair accessible vehicle. And that's a vehicle everyone can ride in. You want to make a person that has this new situation able to join in at every turn. The specialty vehicle is set up so it keeps that person right in with the flow of the family, socializing and living their life and going forward.